Okay, getting into subtypes of variables. We have our major types, numerical and categorical, but we can break those down a little bit further. In numerical, we have distinct, which is more similar to whole numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and continuous are the decimal point numbers. Negative infinity to positive infinity in every decimal point place. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, and everything in between. Okay. Categorical variables, we have unordered or ordinal types of categoricals. This is kind of subtle, but it becomes very important in our analysis, in machine learning, and how we're going to use these variables. So unordered would be dog, cat. I like cats. I'm a big fan of cats. I would say that cats are better, but can you really rank them as cats are better than the other one? Not really. They're just different. They're just two different species of animals. You might like dogs or cats better, but they're still just different, right? So they're unordered in that sense. They're just different things. They're categories, but there's no ranking system to them. The other way would be small, medium, and large, or ordinal values in the sense that we have a ranking system. So small, medium, and large, and we could do things with small, medium, and large. We can convert that to 1, 2, 3, and do things like a correlation analysis now against this categorical variable. And there's lots of different orders. The way you analyze these in data analysis will be different. The way that you deal with them in machine learning will be very different. So we'll have to pay attention and really have a good understanding. It's not complicated, but we need to understand what our categorical, what the classes in our category mean.